it's Stephanie with Pastease.com. Today I am going to talk about Merkins. Say what? What on earth is a Merkin, you say? These are Merkins, and these are Pastease.com version of a Merkin. We lovingly call them bikini covers, badges, kitty covers, pussy patches, strapless bikinis as we list them on the website. And there's just all these great little fun names we come up with them, but basically in a nutshell, a Merkin is a bikini area cover. And Merkins have been around since the 15th century. There's all of these great internet theories of the reason they were invented in the first place, so we can jump into our time machine, grab a barf bag because you're going to want it, and we'll do a quick little history lesson. So theory number one was that sex workers back in the 15th century needed to shave their pubic area due to not spreading pubic lice, and so they would shave it, the pubic area, and then they would put on a Merkin that would at that time look more like it had hair, because you know, back in the 1600s Brazilians really weren't a thing then, or landing strips, or any of the other creative undercarriage grooming that we might do in today's time. The other theory is a little bit more gross, and well, it's like oozing and stomach churning. So the other theory is, again, that your 15th century prostitutes needed to cover their syphilis sores, and so they would just slap on a Merkin and keep working and spreading all sorts of nastiness to their loving customers. So we'll put our barf bags down and we'll move forward. We came out with Merkins, oh my gosh, I don't know. I didn't start working with my husband until about 2008. Well, it was 2008, and he had already had Merkins in the line, so sometime before 2008. We've had our strapless bikinis, as we call them, up on Pastease.com for many moons. We do them in two sizes. This is the mini, which is larger, and this is the micro, which is smaller. The common uses for Merkins varies drastically between our customers. I have known long distance runners to put the Merkins on their inner thighs to help prevent chafing. I have known many customers that have used them as like a pant liner, or kind of like a panty liner for the pants if they want to go commando, but they're worried about little snail trails or snail kisses or whatever they're worried about. They're a great privacy cover if you're wanting to go commando, but you have like on a sheer, you know, set of pants or your skirt, dress, whatever. It will just give you that modesty cover so nobody sees your vulva. They're great for photo shoots. Our Merkins have been used in many films. They're just a great security cover for under swimsuits. If you have a swimsuit that doesn't have a liner and you plan on getting wet, a Merkin would come into use there. Various costumes, and just turning up the tees. So those are some uses of Pastease.com strapless bikinis. Common questions that we've received over the years involve, can I pee with a Merkin on? And the answer to that is yes. All of our materials we make with really nice textiles, and they're thin, and you can always clip it so that you're not covering your urethra. And I think I've peed with them on before, it's fine. But a lot of it just all involves the positioning of how you're gonna wear it. Will it cover my butthole? We have a pervert that likes to call and talk about covering his wife's anus. And again, if you were to position it, you know, really far back and only have just the very top of your vulva covered, then I guess it could cover your little O from Ohio. But it's all about the positioning with these things. Can I wear it to the beach without getting arrested? Well, that is up to you, my friends, to call your local PD and just learn your local laws if it is appropriate at your local beach or not. In our many years of business, I've never known of a customer getting arrested with one on at a beach, but we always do give that disclaimer because I know they're not legal in some areas. And of course, any lewd behavior or anything like that's just gonna attract negative attention. Can I have sex with a Merkin on? Same as the can I pee with one on. It's all gonna depend on your positioning of the said item. And if you're covering your vagina, then I wouldn't have sex with it on. If you're not covering your vaginal entry, then go right on ahead and have sex. Can I wear it if I have piercings down under? Well, yes, you can. We don't include nipple pads with our Merkins because we don't have nipples on our on our vulvas. But what you can do is, if you were to have a piercing and you didn't want it to get stuck, is just put a little piece of tissue right where your piercing would be, and that would make for easier removal of your Merkin. Does it hurt to remove? Well, this is made with the same material and medical grade adhesives as our Pastease line, and I'd say if Pastease hurt to remove up top, they might be a little bit sensitive down below. And likewise, if you don't have an issue with removal up top, you probably won't down below. Do you need to be shaved to wear one? Yes, please, you really do. I would not recommend using one of these in any situation if you have hair. Even a landing strip, I wouldn't do that. I just think it could be painful and not a good idea. Like, so don't do that. Will people see it through a summer dress? Maybe, maybe not. We do them in 3 skin tones. And our skin tones tend to match most tones. We have like just a real pale cafe au lait color, a nice medium honey tone, and a dark cocoa color. And we've had great success with these in many photo shoots and not showing. So I think, you know, it would work with most sheer dresses. Are they waterproof? Yes, all of our products at Pastease.com are waterproof. Why do you include 2 if it's just for the bikini area and you only have 1 bikini area? Well, Merkins, you know, tend to be in a high friction area. And I know over the years when I've worn Merkins, there has been instances where I have not needed the backup piece, and there's been instances I have. So we include a second one just to offer a sense of security. Just slip it into your purse, your clutch, whatever. If you don't need it, great, then you have one for another occasion. If you do, thank goodness you brought it. We also include 2 because some people will wear them as like a triangle top bikini. You can have less coverage or more coverage, and that's kind of a crazy fun set. We have a customer in Spain that sells just 3 pieces as bikinis, and they're kind of fun and wild and microscopic bikinis if you'd like. I think that's it for now. You can shop all of our Merkins and all of their glory at Pastease.com as always. We offer them in a huge variety of colors. You can pick your color and we'll ship it right away. It's usually me that ships it, but if not, it's the wonderful and amazing Danielle. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you have any questions about Merkins, let me know and I will do my best to answer them. As always, please turn on notifications for the Pastease page and subscribe, follow, like, all of that good stuff. And that's it for now. Have a great day.